Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. So, in the last class, we were learning the lesson number 4, Animals Our Friends. So, today we'll move on to the next topic, that is the dangers of wildlife trade. So, what is the meaning of wildlife trade, children? So, whenever the people exchange or sell the wild animal resources, okay, this is called as wildlife trade. Yes, so these animals are being killed because of their body parts and are being used by man. So it can involve the trade. Trade is nothing but the business, okay, of living or the dead animal tissues, maybe the skin, the bones or the meat or other products. So people do wildlife trade for the cash or exchange of useful objects. For example, for the food, for the construction, for the jewelry, for clothing, medicines, etc. Yes, which has caused the threat, children. Okay. So today in this world, in many parts of the world, we can observe that wildlife is in danger because of this illegal hunting. What is the meaning of illegal? Illegal means without the permission of the government, the animals are being hunted and poaching activities. So what do you mean by poaching? Poaching is nothing but shooting, trapping, killing the animals. Okay, for the rare products such as ivory, fur, tusk, horn, etc. So, many animals have become endangered due to the poaching activities. So, animals are in danger because of the illegal hunting and poaching activities. So, there are animals which are being killed and because of their body parts and are used by humans. So this is known as wildlife trade. So let us find out which body parts of various animals are being used for the trading. Okay. So first we'll take up the animal, that is the elephant. Here you can observe the tusk of the elephant, children. So these elephants are being hunted for their tusk. The tusk or ivory as it is commonly known as, okay, and it is being this tusk is being used for making jewelry and decoration or pieces or for decorative materials. Okay, these tusk is being used, children. Here you can observe this is the ivory made of elephant tusk. Okay, so from the elephant tusk this is being made. Okay, yes. So after this we'll move on to the next animal, that is the North and South American bear. So this North and South American bears are being killed for their gallbladders, children. So what is this gallbladder? Where it is present? Gallbladder is a small pouch that is present in the liver. Okay. So in the liver we can observe the gallbladder and it stores bile juice produced by the liver. So we human beings also have the liver and inside the liver a gallbladder is present. So this gallbladder, okay, it stores the bile juice produced by the liver, children. So scientists discovered that the the bear bile, that is the bile juice that is secreted from the liver, it is stored in the gallbladder of the bears and it contains an acid. So this acid is medically proven to help dissolve gallstones or to treat liver diseases, children. So the American and South American bears are being killed for their gallbladders and which are then smuggled. Smuggled means, what is the meaning of smuggled? Means this gallbladder without the permission of the government, okay, the two is being sent to another country illegally or out of a country or in the country. Understood? So what is the meaning of smuggle? To move the goods illegally in or outside the country. Understood? so to other countries, and this is being used to make the medicines. Understood? So next we'll move on to the rhinoceros. So these rhinoceros, you can observe the horns, children. Yes. So these rhinoceros are being slaughtered. What is the meaning of slaughtered? Slaughtered means killed. Killed for their horns. So these horns are being taken and these are grounded into powdery form or powder form to make medicines. To make medicines. Next animal is musk deer. So musk deer is becoming extinct because it is being hunted to obtain kasturi. So what is this kasturi? Kasturi is nothing but an expensive animal product obtained from the male deer. Okay, and it is obtained from the navel of the musk deer, children, and it is being used in making perfumes, incense sticks, as well as in the medicine. Yes, so an ingredient for making the many perfumes. So kasturi is being obtained from the musk deer to prepare the perfumes. So here you can observe the perfume, pure kasturi, okay, prepared, the perfume prepared from the musk deer. Okay, so this is nothing but a perfume. Mountain, the next animal is the mountain goat. Mountain goat, a variety of mountain goats, they are present in the mountain ranges and here Rocky Mountains, and this mountain goat, it is being hunted because of its hair. Okay, you can observe the hair, the hair on its body, and this is nothing but the wool, and it is a very expensive and variety of wool, and this wool is called as pashmina. What is this pashmina? Pashmina is nothing but a fine quality goat's wool available on the earth, and this wool is being taken, okay, from the goat, and it is being used to prepare the woolen clothes, maybe shawl, sweater, etc. Understood? Yes. So till now we have learned some of the animals. So in the next class we'll be learning the other animals which are being used for the wildlife trade, children. Okay, thank you.